Hey guys, today let's learn how to find light posts on Instagram and iPhones. All you need to do is to click on your profile icon over here in the very bottom. Click on the three lines over here onto the settings, and I want you guys to head on over onto your activity. And what that does is going to show you these interactions and stuff like that. All of your archived or recently deleted and stuff like that. But I want you guys to click specifically on interactions and over here, click on likes, obviously. And then boom, here are all of your likes, every video, real photo you've liked, and everything related to that. As you can see here, I've liked a few moments ago, and basically if you want to head on over and view your likes, that is how you do it. Please come and double live. This worked, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.